Ilish fish, also known as hilsa or herring, is a popular and highly prized fish in South Asia, especially in Bangladesh and West Bengal, India. It has a unique taste and is often prepared in various ways to bring out its flavors. One of the most famous preparations is ilish bhapa, where the fish is steamed with spices inside banana leaves. Here's a simple recipe to cook ilish bhapa. Ingredients: ilish fish, hilsa, 4 to 6 pieces, cleaned. Mustard paste, 4 tablespoons. You can grind soaked mustard seeds with a little water to make a paste. Poppy seed paste, 2 tablespoons, optional. Coconut paste, 4 tablespoons. Grind fresh or desiccated coconut with water to make a paste. Green chilies, 4 to 6, slit. Mustard oil, 3 to 4 tablespoons. Turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon. Salt, to taste. Banana leaves or aluminum foil, if banana leaves are unavailable. Instructions: 1. Clean the ilish fish thoroughly and remove the scales, if any. You can keep the head and tail intact for better presentation. 2. Marinate the fish pieces with turmeric powder and a little salt. Set them aside for 15 to 20 minutes. 3. In a bowl, mix the mustard paste, poppy seed paste, if using coconut paste, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. Add salt to taste and mix well. 4. Take each fish piece and coat it generously with the mustard coconut paste mixture. Also, stuff some of the paste inside the cavity of each fish. 5. Place a few slit green chilies on top of the fish for some extra spiciness. 6. Now, take a wide, shallow pan or a steaming vessel. Grease it lightly with mustard oil. 7. If you have banana leaves, place one leaf on the greased pan and put the marinated fish on it. Otherwise, you can use aluminum foil as a substitute. 8. Cover the fish with another banana leaf, or foil, to create a passel, ensuring that the fish is completely enclosed. 9. Pour a little more mustard oil on top of the parcel before closing it. 10. Place the pan on the stovetop and cook the fish on low to medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. Cooking time may vary depending on the size of the fish pieces. 11. Check if the fish is cooked by gently inserting a knife through the parcel. If the fish flakes easily, it's done. 12. Carefully open the parcel, taking care not to burn yourself with the steam. Ilish bhapa is best enjoyed with steamed rice. The combination of the distinct flavors of ilish fish with the pungency of mustard and the creaminess of coconut makes it a delightful culinary experience. Enjoy your delicious ilish bhapa.